Natatawa ako kasi nandito ngayon ako, kasama ko yung social media team ko at ilan tayo rito? 4, 5. Yung isa tiga-makeup ko pa. Kaya yan na yung troll namin. I have never, I challenge them to show me where the troll farms are. I challenge them to show me where I boosted. I challenge them to show me where I bought ads. Facebook put out that report, 0 ang expenditure ko. I have no troll farm. I have no troll farm. I have no troll farm. And that is an insult to Filipino intelligence. Kahit na sa palagay nyo ba, yung mga bata, pag troll farm ang naglalabas ng fake news, hindi nila alam? Alam nila yan. Huli ka agad yan. Kaya't walang silbi yan. I don't know why people do it. I don't do it. I have never had a troll farm. I have never had a click army. I never boosted. Everything's organic, and I never bought ads. And I think that's easy to prove to anyone. But I challenge them to show me where's the troll farm.
Pero sir, I understand nilabas na rin kayo na statement dito. Pero matanong ko na rin po, ano po masasabi ninyo dun sa desisyon ng Twitter na pag-suspend daw ng mga nasa 300 Marcos accounts na supporters daw po ninyo because of violating yung policies ng Twitter, parang minamanipulate daw kasi nila.
Well, Twitter is its own by themselves. Is a private company. We do not and they do what they feel they have to do. But the people who are tweeting are not part of our organization. These are just friends or supporters who are trying to help and expressing their opinion. So hindi namin kontrolado, o siguro yung iba diyan kilala namin, but hindi namin palakad yan yung ginagawa nila. The fact of the matter is they have not proven that these are Marcos accounts.
Nag-hire ba ang Marcos?
No, we did not.
No. Troll farms, no.
No, not at all. Pag nag-employ ka ng troll, sino liloko mo? Di sariling kampanya mo lang. So we don't employ trolls. Don't employ trolls. Don't employ trolls. These are all organic.
Nobody wins a big victory like this by themselves. Walang nananalo na ito na nag-iisa. At siguro napakarami masyadong kailangan ng batiin. At siyempre, unang-una, yung araw-araw naming nakikita, yung mga grupo na nagsiset up sa amin. Well, let me take it even back further. Nagsimula talaga lahat ng please all sit down, mga bahaba ito. I'm starting in 2016 pa malayo pa tayo. Nag-start talaga ito dahil noong 2016 nagpo-protesta tayo, wala tayong makuha na oras sa ABS, wala tayong makuha sa Channel 7, wala tayong makuha sa Inquirer, wala tayong makuha sa Philstar, binabanat-banatan tayo ng Rappler. Sabi ko, the only option that we have is social media. Kaya June kami nag-concentrate. Kaya nag-hire ako ng libo-libo na troll army.
We have no troll farm.
Ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating troll army.
We have no troll farm.
Can you please show yourselves? Emerald, Franz, Gerald, tatlo yung troll army natin, tatlo. Once in a while, nagko-contribute ako. Once in a while, nagko-contribute ako. Once in a while, nagko-contribute ako. Pero ito talaga, yan. Yan, that's what kept my political fortunes alive until here. And talaga naman, they did such a good job. Kaya tayo umabot sa ganito. That's how we started. That's what kept my political fortunes alive until here. And talaga naman, they did such a good job. Kaya tayo umabot sa ganito. That's how we started. And then, nung nag-start na talaga tayo ng mga panya, eto na, lahat ng mga iba't ibang grupo na tumutulong, At yung iba, yung dati pa sa amin, ay sana sina HR, sina Pat, yung ating mga ninja warriors. Problema nila ngayon, kasi if they work in the palace, di na sila pwedeng magsuot ng goma, kailangan na raw sila magtakon na sapatos. Knowing Ninja Pat and HR, parang hindi naman bagay, but we will have to adjust. And the staff, well, of course, the Execom, ang Execom natin, si Benher, I saw Benher already there, Anton is na, I don't know if Kong Anton is here already, and they're still, like they have been doing all of this campaign, and even before, they are working very, very hard. Wala pa yata si Vic, na he's here, but of course, they play the central role.